Hello, it is Avishi, your internet best friend, and today I'm going to help you get your 99s and 98s and 100s in class 12 board exams for the commerce stream. So मेरे subjects थे English, Economics, Business Studies, Accountancy and Psychology. And the marks I got were 99 in Eco, English and Psychology. I got 95 in Accounts and 97 in BST. Stick till the end of the video because I'm going to give you exam day wale tips which are very important, probably the most important part of this video. So let me start by saying that it's not hard. 12th grade CBSE Commerce is not hard. You can easily get these marks and even better marks. You don't even need to study every day. You don't need to study 20 hours a day to get these marks. That's how easy it is. It's just about working smarter. Let's start with मैं हर subject कैसे पढ़ती थी. I'm going to start with accounts, which was my lowest score, 95. अकाउंट्स एग्जाम में तो आई मेस्ड अप. आई लिटरली न्यू व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग रॉन्ग बट मैंने उसको रेक्टिफाई नहीं किया. आई वाज डाउटिंग माई सेल्फ सो मच. कुछ एंट्रीज के बारे में जो मुझे पता था कि कैसे हो रही है पर मैंने वो नहीं किया. हाउ आई स्टडीड अकाउंटेंसी वाज दैट मेरी एक ट्यूशन टीचर थी जो DK गोयल फॉलो करती थी एंड वो हमें इलस्ट्रेशंस कराती थी. फिर घर आके मैं उस बुक के बैक क्वेश्चंस करती थी बिकॉज उस बुक में इट्स अ रियली गुड बुक. इट्स दैट इलस्ट्रेशन 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 वो सेम पैटर्न पे बेस्ड होते हैं. सो इट्स very good for revision and conceptual understanding. Also most of the year इतने tests and exams के लिए मैं questions करती भी नहीं थी, especially वो fundamentals of partnership and all, like वो पूरा partnership वाला book. I used to just read the illustrations and go to the exam because it's that easy. Except like debentures, shares में मत करना ये, but partnership में चल जाता है. And then साल के end में आके I started doing practice papers, which is very important because accountancy में main problem time management की होती है. Of course you can make sure of this even when you're practicing पूरे साल. So whenever you're doing a question, try कि वो कोई लंबा question हो, कोई 6 marker type हो, तो वो 6-7 minutes 8 minutes से ज़्यादा ना जाए. max to max maybe like 9-10 minutes, but उससे ज़्यादा नहीं लगना चाहिए time. Of course साल की शुरुआत में it might take you like half an hour to do a long question, but that's okay. Just keep working on it and keep getting faster. The key to getting good marks in accountancy is understanding the concept behind every single entry, every single little thing you do in the paper. एक बार आप concept समझ गए, then you'll be able to apply it and you won't forget it ever, because you might forget the application but not the concept. Also I want to say जो भी मैं books बता रही हूँ इस वीडियो में, it doesn't matter, you don't have to do these books. Any book works, it's just how well you do that book. Like मेरे स्कूल में TS ग्रेवाल हो रही थी and मेरी बहुत सारे friends ने TS ग्रेवाल करी है. And on the question of do you need tuition, no you don't. It's just extra help. अगर आपको tuition नहीं लगानी है, you can also use lots of online resources. So of course free resources जो सब जानते हैं are Rajat Arora sir, Sunil Panda sir, they are really good. Especially Rajat Arora, उनके videos मैं देखती थी जब भी मुझे कोई particular concept का revision करना होता था. Like I'm trying to remember, मुझे भी याद नहीं आ रहा है. Like I think कुछ debentures का था, like I think different capital reserve treatments or something. Like ऐसे छोटे सब topics के भी उन्होंने videos बना रखे हैं which are very helpful. Now let's get to eco. जिस एग्जाम से पहले मैं इतना बीमार पड़ गई कि मैं कुछ कर भी नहीं पाई and I only studied like 1 day for it. Of course पहले I studied everything but like revision एग्जाम के टाइम पे, बोर्ड एग्जाम के टाइम पे. इको में आता है इंडियन इको एंड मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. मैक्रो में you need to understand everything and उसके लिए you need a pretty good base from 11th too. So if you're in 11th, if you're doing micro, do not ignore it. At least basics सीख लो. वैसे ऐसा कुछ issue नहीं है. If you've come into 12th and you don't know anything, you can still figure it out with YouTube videos and stuff. But yeah, macro mein what is important is understanding everything, because then you'll be able to apply it and answer questions, because direct questions nahi aate macro mein. It'll be some like teda mera kal ki application questions, so make sure you understand what you're doing. Indian eco mein you need to eat that book up. You need to memorize every single line, and memorization ka tarika also I will tell you. It's not actually like Indian cotton textile was called Malmai Khas, Indian cotton textile was called Malmai Khas. Don't do that. The book, just take out the chapter, read the entire chapter just like normal reading. Pay attention to it. You don't even need to make notes. but just repeat this activity as many times as possible. Even just reading the book like 20 times will get everything in your head, which is what I did. मैंने notes नहीं बनाए, but later in the year जब मैं याद कर रही थी and ये सब पढ़ रही थी वापस, then I would like write down little points in a book. You don't need to do that, but वो मुझे help कर रहा था, कहता था to just concentrate so I don't get distracted. And Indian Eco में एक sense of historical timeline बहुत important है. Like every single chapter you can see how the agriculture industry progressed, how the industrial sector progressed. So try to develop an understanding of that too. Read it like you're reading a storybook. Like ये हुआ, then ये हुआ, and this is how we've progressed to where India is today. And Indian economics पे बहुत important है to practice written questions. मैंने कोई tuition नहीं लगाई थी for economics, except in the last month मैंने लगाई थी just to do test papers and have an actual teacher check them. And उस एक month में मुझे इतना help हुआ with the 4-5 papers I did with her, because every time I wrote an answer she would tell me कि answer को ऐसे frame करते हैं, because you know what you have to write, but you don't know how you're supposed to write it. That's why you need a good teacher. But you don't have to do that. I have a very very special tip for you in the end, इसी चीज से related. If you don't have a teacher to tell you कि answers कैसे लिखते हैं. उसके बाद we have business studies. Business studies is such an easy subject. Keep reading it again and again. It will go into your head. Also, business studies में acronyms बनाना is very very helpful for all the processes that you have. You have the planning process, the organizing process, all of that. उसके लिए acronyms are very very helpful. For example, I'm so proud of myself that मुझे ये याद है. But organizing process में it has 4 steps: identification and division of work, departmentalization. What was A? Assignment of duties and establishment of working relationships. So this is IDAE. So I would just remember it as idea, but A and E switched है. Indian Eco के लिए and macro के लिए I used Sandeep Garg, and BST के लिए I used Subhash De. Now for English I used all-in-one because मेरी NCERT पूरे साल गायब थी. I had it in the beginning of the year, but then I lost it at some point. I don't know कहाँ थी, but हाँ, basically I did not touch the NCERT for the entire year. English के लिए मैं YouTube videos देखती थी. There's Students Heaven, there's a bunch of channels जो chapters को explain करते हैं, जो chapters like बताते हैं. Please don't watch the ones who explain it in Hindi. Unless समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है, then yes you can watch it. But in general, don't watch the Hindi one because then you'll start thinking in Hindi. You want to think in English in relation to the chapter, you know. So English वाला video देखना is helpful because then you get the keywords also जो आपको पेपर में लिखने हैं, which is what these help books like all-in-one help you with. And they are these model answers NCERT questions के, वो बहुत बहुत helpful होते हैं. And वही मैंने किया for the entire year, just reading those answers and just listening to a video explaining the chapter, and in the end doing lots of practice papers before the exam, like literally the week before the exam. But I did a lot of them and that was very helpful. I actually have a full video of me studying for the English board exam. Go find that video. Then we have psychology. Psychology मेरा favorite subject था. Psychology के लिए again it's a theory subject, so you need to memorize everything. बार बार पढ़ते रहो. But psychology में comprehension बहुत important है because a lot of people are not able to comprehend what the chapter is saying or even what the question is saying sometimes because it's made like ज़बरदस्ती complicated. If you have trouble understanding psychology, एक बहुत अच्छा YouTube channel है called Psych Shorts. He explains it very very well. Before you even get to the memorization part, please sit down and try to understand your psychology chapter because उसके बिना that memorization is useless. Psychology में भी end में practice papers करना is very very important because उसके बिना you never know कि जो मुझे आता है क्या am I even able to put it out on paper. So free resources. Rajat Arora and Sunil Panda for Eco BST Accountancy. I think उनके पास English के भी videos है, but I never watched those. For English I use Students Heaven and a very very good YouTube channel called Grand Acad, जो मुझे एकदम end में जाके पता चला था, but it really helped me. And psychology के लिए I used Psych Shorts. Now, last minute exam date tips. Firstly, make sure you get up 4-5 घंटे before you have to leave for the exam. उस टाइम में try to revise. Don't do बहुत stressful revision. Like जो मैं करती थी was that I would wake up and I would just play a Rajat Arora or Sunil Panda video with like a long one, which is a revision of the entire syllabus because उनके पास बहुत सारी ऐसे videos हैं and वो last day पे I think कोई live करते हैं या something जिसमें वो पूरा ही करते हैं syllabus cover, which is really really helpful. Not that मैं बहुत actively सुन रही हूँ, but because वो passively दिमाग में जाता रहता है, so it feels like you're revising stuff. I remember so well कि इको एग्जाम के दिन मैं उनका वीडियो देख रही थी एंड ही टॉक्ड अबाउट लिबर्टी इंडिकेटर्स एंड स्टफ, जो मैंने इतने अच्छे से किया नहीं था. देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन इन द एग्जाम ऑन लिबर्टी इंडिकेटर्स. आल्सो इफ यू एंड अप नॉट गेटिंग दैट मच स्लीप एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले, put eye drops in your eyes, like 2-3 बार डाल दो before the exam, because if your eyes are dry you will not be able to concentrate in the exam. If you're like me and get a stomachache before every important exam, just tell yourself this is completely normal, I will be fine and everything will be fine. मुझे आता है, जितना मैंने किया है is enough and it's going to be okay. And just remember this one girl you watch on YouTube also experiences it, so it's normal and everybody goes through it. Also every single time I had like a bad stomachache or a headache before the exam, the moment I would get out of my car and meet all my friends center में, I would be all fine. So everything's gonna be fine. Last moment पे, do not doubt your prep. I remember I was watching एक video psychology के exam से पहले and the guy was saying कि अच्छा this is important, that's important. And I was like wait, क्या ये मैंने ढंग से किया भी है? Do I even remember it? Blah blah blah. Do not stress yourself out and try to do something like that last minute, because that is not going to help your performance. BST में, psychology में, try to write examples in your answers. That will fetch you extra points and that will just make your answer more cohesive. So when you're writing theory wale answers, make sure you have an intro paragraph, all of your points written down in good detail, and then an outro paragraph with 2 or 3 lines if it's a long like 5 or 6 marker. BST में, eco में, psychology में, try to make mind maps. Even if you're just writing 1 2 3 4 वाले points किसी भी process के, planning process या whatever, उसके बीच में arrows बना दो, it'll just make it look better. I don't know if that gets you more marks, but it just looks good. And इसके अलावा if you have trouble understanding how to study, अपना time कैसे manage करो with your extracurriculars, if you're doing stuff like that, or any sports you play, and how to study more efficiently, study smarter not harder, how to plan your time, organize things. So इस सब के लिए you can check out my course which is linked in the description, because while I was in 12th studying for boards, I was also doing YouTube, I was doing a bunch of things. तो मैंने जो सीखा है वो है time management, and I know that I have very very good tips for it, so go check out that course if you want to. Hello, editing Avishi is here because I forgot to mention that one tip that I talked about pehle. If you do not have a tuition teacher or a good class teacher to help you understand how to write answers for economics, go through toppers answer sheets of previous years. CBSE की साइट पे अपलोडेड होते हैं पिछले साल के टॉपर्स की आंसर शीट्स, so go through the question paper of the previous year as well as toppers answers. Then you can see how you actually write good answers that will get you the highest marks. Best of luck and thank you for watching this video. I hope मैं आपको help कर सकी. Do like it, subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Avishimish and Avishi's Coffee Shop, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.